Rain showers, splash, fun in the sun. With step two's table, everyone's having fun. Blue and green, a watery scene. Outdoor play like a dream. 13 pieces, toys galore. Ducks and fish and so much more. Easy to clean, built to last. Memories made, growing fast. Rain or shine, day or night. Step two brings the pure delight. Rain showers, splash, fun in the sun. With step two's table.
Click the link in the description to grab your Step 2 Rain Shower Splash Pond water table on Amazon. Watch your kids learn, play, and create endless memories with this fantastic, feature-packed water table. Don't miss out, make playtime magical today. Click now and let the splashing fun begin.